once again to howtocookgreatfoods.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, just finished, we're doing some fried rice. This is a Chinese sausage fried rice. It's very, very simple. It's not a dry fried rice, you know, like if you're doing egg fried rice or something like that. It's quite wet, this one. We've got some soy in there, soy sauce, onions, garlic, chili, and some fish sauce as well. Yeah, so it's not exactly dry. It's more kind of porridgey in a way, risotto-y. But it really is delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started on this. Really quite simple. I've got a touch of oil in there. I'm using some peanut oil, but you could be using any oil you want. We're going to start off by dropping in some chili and some garlic. We get a little bit of colour on that. And then we're going to add all of these guys. So we've got a little bit of onion. I'm adding some bell peppers for a bit of colour. And then there's our sausage, our Chinese sausage, which is very sweet, smoky and delicious. Now this is actually already cooked, this sausage, and I'll leave the video on how to prepare that on at the end. The link will come at the end. So let's just fry this around for about 2-3 minutes. This is coming together lovely. Really happy with this. Now I'm going to add a bit of fish sauce. That's going to add a lot of saltiness to it. A little bit of a light soy. Again, salty. Now we're going to add our rice, our cooked rice. Now just make sure that your rice is cold when you put it in. Yeah, hot rice doesn't really sort of work very well. And then what we're going to do now, this is going to be like 5 minutes of frying and it's done. I mean, it's pretty much done then. It's just a really simple, easy dish, this one. Be back in about 5 minutes or so. Okay, let's finally, some green onions in there, throw that around, and we've got a beautiful little fried rice. I mean, not like I said at the beginning, not a dry fry, it's just quite wet. More of a kind of risotto-y kind of vibe about it. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.
With thousands of recipes and millions of views, why not subscribe to our channel and join the family?